Oh, guess who's back, boys? Guess who's back? I know it's been a while, boys, but what up? We back. We back again. Back on the grind. I mean, I was still grinding in the shadows, in the shadow realm, but now I'm back. I'm back in the daylight, boys. Oh my days, that was actually so cringe. I should have said that, bro. Okay, anyways, gonna go over two trades today. Market was absolutely horrible today. Well, I was kind of gonna get um end of London session entries, but I just said I'm just gonna wait for New York session then look for an entry, which actually never came to. Actually, I got one entry, but that was at what at five. The market was already kind of dead. There was not much volume because of lack of news today. So yeah, let me just go over my bias for today. So um, as you can see right now, we broke structure uh, on the daily time frame recently. We also had this big uh, daily fair value gap that I actually thought we gonna tap into and then drop back down, and that's what we actually had happening. So um, we had this, and this was where you were supposed to sell today, and this would have got you like what potentially. This was also an Asian high sweep, as you can see. Not previous day high sweep. So over here we have previous highs, which created an perfect entry for the day. So I was looking at the market when this was happening, and I was like, yeah, do you know what? The market's gonna open in like an hour or so. I'm just gonna wait. Maybe we're gonna get a sweep of that, and then I'm gonna short. We came back all the way here to the 15-minute order block, and then we dropped back down. We never swept the liquidity again. So the London liquidity never got swept. But we swept the London lows, which led to my entry that I was waiting for the whole day. But yeah, what happened here is we came to this hourly for value up, and then not much, boys. Sorry that I'm not going over through everything, like every single detail, but I took these trades like ages ago, and also it's 12 a.m. I got school tomorrow, so I'm just trying to go over everything quickly. Let me go. So yeah, this trade I got stopped at break even, so $0 made on this trade. And bear in mind, boys, I'm still not trading on live account. I'm currently on the stage two of founded account process. So hopefully I might get founded by next week, because I would love to get founded before I turn 19, and I turn 19 on the February the 2nd. So yeah. Anyways, GJ had sort of was also kind of dead, but I had more volume. Like there could have been an entry for a buy, but not with my strategy. And also, like we were like one take away from our take profit, boys. But it happens. Like I'm not saying it doesn't, because it does. So on GU, I was like 1% up, so I just didn't fucking leave the trade because I had my take profit, I think, here, and then all the way up there. So I was waiting for those points to get hit. But yeah, on GJ we had that clear price action. To me, we swept liquidity with this. It was a small sweep of liquidity, but it was a sweep of liquidity. So as you can see, we went above London highs. So I was like, yeah, you know what? I didn't get what I wanted, which is tap into this weekly fair value gap, but I still got something, and I have to adapt to the environment, to the market. So I entered short of this inverse fair value gap, and then what happened? We dropped down. Pa, 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 everything was looking perfect. I was fucking happy as fuck. But what happened then? We dropped down. Then we retrace off the order block on the 5 minute over here because there is no fair value gaps. There is nothing there. There's nothing to retrace off of. Only the order block. So we came to the order block. We filled this hourly fair value gap as well over here. Came to the order block and then went back up to the fair value gap, which never got hit. So what I'm expecting to happen tomorrow, probably gonna happen on Asian session though, which is not good for me because I don't trade Asian, I trade New York session, and I wanna stick with trading New York session. So I think we're gonna go back up. We're gonna sweep today's highs, then we're gonna drop down potentially to weekly lows, which are down there. That's where we're gonna be heading next, I think. Because if we look at the daily time frame, we are in a downtrend. So what I think is gonna happen is we're gonna drop all the way down to the weekly highs, previous week high lows, I mean. So yeah, hopefully I'm gonna be looking for sales tomorrow. I know Trump is speaking tomorrow, and we also have other news coming up tomorrow. So the market's probably gonna be more volatile. I think that I also have a lesson at 320 on which I'm not allowed to use any device to check the prices. So I don't know if I'm gonna actually trade tomorrow, but if I do trade, then you guys gonna know. You guys gonna know. Discord members gonna know. If you're not on the Discord yet, join Discord. It's completely free. It's a trading group. It's not a course. We discuss our trades. We develop together. It's basically a way where you can connect with other like-minded people. Also, I just want to go quickly through fucking gold. As you can see, horrible price action. The only entry was again here, the same time as GU. That's the only entry I would consider. Swept Asian highs. Oh yeah, I was actually considering this entry here. If we went back to this value gap with this candle, I would enter that trade, but we barely missed it, so I never entered. But yeah, I was actually gonna take this trade, but again, I would take profit 1, like somewhere here probably, because that's like 15 minute now. Yeah, so my take profit 1 would be somewhere here. So again, I would only take in the take profit 1 because of moving my stop loss to break even. So yeah, this would take me out of the trade again. But yeah, take profit 1 is actually better than nothing. Again, today I'm minus 1% of the account. Could have been break even, but I didn't execute. I just waited until the trade plays out because I thought that we gonna have enough movement, but unfortunately not enough juice came back to the Wall Street. So after the lunch break, so I guess it is what it is, boys. Anyways, join my Discord again. That's what I'm inviting you to do. Follow me on Twitter. I post daily. I post a lot actually on X. It's like my second home, boys. I'm back with videos now. Gonna be dropping some games soon. Join the Discord if you wanna be early, and that's it. See you in the next one.